Ban Piende, 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 Onyolore Otieno.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ban Piende dance tutorial presented by Tombo. My name is Aloch, a dancer from Kenya, and today we're going to learn how to dance to the hit song Ban Piende. Ban Piende is a theme song for African Shubran Tombo. Tombo is a shule inspired by African music, and I'm rocking mine today. So make sure to get you to a pair on mytombos.com. The song was created by Makadem, one of Kenya's most prominent contemporary artists, and I can't wait to get started. So let's get those dancing feet up, energy up. Are you ready? Let's go. This is our first move. I'm gonna start on our right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you have it? Let me do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those who find it difficult, you can do the second part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's go to the music.
Ban Piende, 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 Ban Piende. I want, and I want.